welcome back to Jordan and Kaylee. So today we are making slime.
But before we start, guys, you know how we posted that Orbeez bath challenge? We had to delete that video because we were getting really inappropriate comments. So please don't put that because that's just really bad and not very good. Like, just don't do that, okay, guys?
I opened it a little bit.
But that's really bad and just please don't do it anymore. But let's move on from that. It's over. Sorry it happened.
Okay, so what you'll need is glue, of course. We're using lotion because Kaylee forgot to go to get shaving cream. Mixing tool in a bowl. We have food coloring and paint and activator, and we have mixing tools. So
Why did we bring these spoons down?
I know. Why?
Wait, can I have a pink one?
Well, I just grabbed a random one.
I'm gonna trade mine for a pink one.
I love first. Ooh, okay. Mine didn't have a cork in it.
Really?
Really. So I'm just gonna.
Guys, there's corks in these. So.
Mine didn't have one.
No, we traded, remember? Because I took the cork out of mine.
No, I took it out.
I took mine out, and then you remember how you moved them around at the end?
Yeah, and I got mine. This one's mine.
Oh, whatever you say, I guess.
I even washed it. Okay.
Well, how did the cord get back in mine? Because I took the cord out of mine.
I took mine out. I don't know. Okay. Reusable bottles. So, I'm going...
guys. There's a lot more glue this time than there has been.
Yeah. In ours, like this glue has more. This glue's not fair. Then I'm going to take the lotion and
It's
do
just because
4 squirts.
It's just because we didn't have enough time to stop at Walmart, so... At least we got glue.
Why isn't it?
Jordan, now we can't use our lotion.
Yeah, we can. Just gotta put it back on.
Of course we can.
No, I had to take the lid off because it did, it was like, you know when you first buy them?
Yeah.
And you can't open them? That's what it was like.
Oh,
you just said it.
Yeah, Jordan, fix it.
Maybe you don't.
Yeah, okay. Keep doing that. I'm going to go grab something.
There. Yeah, there's a lotion, guys. Oh no. There we go. Fixed it. Okay, so you each have lotion in ours. So I'm gonna start mixing mine, and then I'm gonna mix Kaylee's. I don't know what paint she wants, so she can have the paint. I mixed it in. FYI.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. No, you have to start opening it now because it keeps popping off.
Okay.
So I'm gonna use a light green and then a dark green. Wait,
That's literally what I was going to do.
I need that light green.
Can I just put a couple drops
Yeah.
in?
I'm using this dark green.
Okay, start off with little
So
tiny
she started
bits.
off with 3. I usually start off with 4.
I want it to be like that light green one you have, so
Yeah.
I'm going to light.
Like this, but lighter.
I'm gonna put one. I'm gonna put
So mine's still just a little bit light. So that's why I usually added a little bit of dark to the other one.
There we go. So you added dark about this shade?
No, I added this just a teeny tiny bit of the other one to make it like this. See?
Okay.
And then I just add a little bit more of the light, and then one more of the. Okay, that's way too much, but whatever. Because I like it.
Add more lotion, I guess, because lotion makes it lighter. Yeah, that's definitely not going to turn out the color I want it to. Guys, I totally just
Add a lot of this.
But then the color will come out.
It'll come out lighter.
I'm just going to add more lotion and see if that helps.
So, I'll show you my color in just a second once I mix fully. There's my color. Move this stuff out of the way. Okay, and now we have activator. I'm just gonna add a little bit in at a time. And I like it like this because it just has, it's easier. It has this thingy, like a,
Okay, I think that might help it. Wait, yo, can I add a little bit of another bottle of glue just to make it better?
no.
Oh, but I want like yours, because mine won't work. Cool.
Activator. Maybe if I like yours and you like mine, we could trade.
Okay.
Still needs more activator.
Yeah, this glue doesn't work as well, but it still works.
I think we added too much lotion. Because like mine. I added too much lotion. We'll use half a bottle each. Okay, we both used too much lotion because the lid isn't working. So,
Dude, I already got it here with my hands.
then I'll pour it in.
Okay. Ew, can you add more activator to mine? This is not helping. My hands are literally,
Yeah, she like messed up fully.
well, not fully. I can still have you add my activator. Please add lots.
So I added more glue, and now it's like the consistency, like you just, that I need to start adding activator in.
It started. Add. Okay, I need way more.
Yeah, I know this.
Okay. So now we're going.
Now, there we go.
It's going someplace now. I'll have to get that spoon out later. I really will. Put a little bit more in mine. Okay, we use like all our activators.
We're almost out, guys.
No, we're not gonna have any more activator.
But
Gordon-
I can go make some more.
You can. My hands.
I know.
Oh, I thought you said you.
No, I
Like-
said I.
Oh.
So there we go, guys.
I need.
It's just still like, it's still a little bit sticky.
Mine is going somewhere. Just not a place that I like. You literally have to add so much activator for this to work.
And then after that, you have to add so much lotion.
I know.
Again, to get it like the way you want it to.
Yeah. I thought you were gonna be gone when I came over to your house because I thought I was too late. And then I saw that there were no cars home yet. I'm like, that's weird. Either she left or she hasn't gotten picked up yet.
Well, usually my mom already picks me up, but my dad's on call. And then that means my mom would have to pick up all of us. And then, yeah. So I'm guessing she canceled it. Wait, no. If my dad had it on call today, we wouldn't have an appointment. So that wouldn't work out for my mom.
So guys,
So
mine.
this is what mine looks like. It needs like so much more activator in it.
Here, you want the activator for mine?
Look at mine though.
Mine is done, guys. I got in there earlier than Jordan too. So.
Well, you always get there in earlier.
Sure.
You wanna?
I'll work on yours while you go make us more activator. Yeah.
If I can
Here. You want help?
take it.
Okay. Give me. Go make us more activator.
I'll put the rest in there because I need activated mine. There we go. I'll be back, guys.
Easy peasy. She basically had it like halfway done. All she had to do was go boop, and she'd be done by now. So, yeah. It's really bad, but okay. Alright, here we go. Jordan's is done. There we go. Yours is done. Oh my god, mine is actually softer than Jordan's somehow. I don't know how, but mine is actually softer than Jordan's. Like literally softer. At least in my book. Yeah. Woo. Hey guys. Woo. 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 There you go.
Fix it.
Yeah, it's not sticky, so very much.
Activator. Don't use the last blue.
It's not. Seriously? What's the big deal? It's a blue. I just grabbed the random.
Because you have pink, I have blue.
You love blue, don't you? Who has green? Guess.
Just both of us. I guessed. Do you like mine?
I don't know.
Oh.
Let me feel yours. How did I get yours like that?
All you did was make it non-sticky.
Well, I made it non-sticky. Come on, sweetie. Please. Please. I really want one that you made.
You already have one that I made.
Yeah, because I traded you. Can we trade again? is what I call swap opportunity. Right, guys. I have a good video idea. We do slime.
That we both don't like. We should do a slime switch.
Yeah, so like we switch slimes.
That we want.
Yeah, so if she wants one of my slimes that I want to trade for one of her
And she
slimes,
doesn't like it. Or she likes it or whatever.
we can do a swap.
Okay, so we're going to end this video here and then
We'll do that video very soon. Bye!
bye! Subscribe,
Like,
thumbs up, hit the bell
comment
down below to notify you every time we post a video. And then comment down below what you guys want us to do next.
Not inappropriate comments. Remember that, guys.
Bye!